Hi friends, welcome to SS Academy. Today we are going to learn 8th class mathematics. So today we are discussing about I'm going to explain about a problem. So here the problem is like this. The cost of 10 chairs is 6000 rupees. Then the cost of 16 chairs will be. So this is the question, how to solve this kind of questions. So these kind of problems are very important and they are very much helpful in mole concept in chemistry also. So now coming to the point, so how to solve this problem. So first the solution will be like this. So what we need to write is here, the first point is the cost of 10 chairs is 6000 rupees. So I'm going to write the point. So the given data, the cost of 10 chairs equals to rupees 6000. So they are asking for the cost of 16 chairs. They are asking for the cost of 16 chairs. Now you need to find out the cost of 16 chairs. So this we need to find out. So here whenever some number of chairs, the cost of some number of chairs is given, and if they are asking for the cost of some other number of chairs, then you need to find out the cost of one chair. So what we need to do, we have to find out the cost of one chair. So now I am finding out the cost of one chair. So from this step, if you see the first step, the cost of 10 chairs equals to 6000 rupees. Now you need to bring this 10 to the right hand side. You need to bring this 10 to the right hand side, then it will become the cost of one chair. So here it is on the right hand side. On the right hand side you have 6000. If you bring this 10 to the right hand side, it will become divided by 10. So you know that 0 gets cancelled and it will be equals to 600 by 1, which means that 600, which is equals to 600. So that means the cost of one chair, is 600. Now cost of 16 chairs, cost of 16 chairs. Since we are finding the cost of 16 chairs, you need to write 16 into the cost of one chair. Since we are finding out the cost of 16 chairs, you need to write 16 into, and what is the cost of one chair? The cost of one chair is 600 rupees, and the sum will be equals to 9600 rupees. So this is the answer. In this way we can find out the. Okay, let us see one more problem in such kind, okay, see here, if the cost of 5 trays of eggs is 1000 rupees, what will be the cost of 10 such trays of eggs? So similar kind of problem that we have discussed before. So see this, how to solve this problem. So given that the cost of 5 trays of eggs 5 trays of eggs is equals to 1000 rupees, and he is asking for cost of 10 trays of eggs. So in this kind of problems you need to find out the cost of one tray of egg. So now we need to find out the cost of one tray of eggs. So what we need to do is, so here already we have 1000 on the right hand side, so write 1000, and you need to transpose this 5 to the right hand side. So you have to take this 5 to the right hand side. It divides the 1000. So then the cost of one tray of eggs will become 1000 divided by 5. So you know that 5 2s are 10, 5 0 0, 5 0 0. So the cost of one tray of eggs will be 2000 rupees 2000. Now we can easily find out the cost of 10 trays of x. 10 trays of x. So how many trays they're asking for? They're asking for 10 trays, so you need to write 10 into, and you know that the cost of one tray of egg, the cost of one tray of eggs equals to 2000. So write 2000 here. 10 twos are 20 and 2 zeros, so the cost of 10 trays of eggs will be 2000 rupees. So like this we can solve this kind of problem. Let us see one more problem like this. Okay, well, now we just now we are going to learn about ratios. So here the question is how to write the ratios in the simplest form. So here some problems has been given here. The first one is 100 is to 25. So now let us make it into the fraction form. So first 100 is given, so write 100 in the numerator and 125 in the denominator. So here as per divisibility rule, of 5, so here if you observe numerator, the last digit was 0, and in the denominator the last digit was 5. So you know that the numbers with last digit 0 and 5 are easily cancelled in the fifth table. So according to divisibility rule of 5, so these two numbers are gets cancelled by 5. So that's the reason I took 5 and I am trying to cancel them. 5 twos are 10 and 5 zeros 0. So 100 is cancelled by 5 about 20 times. And so coming to denominator, here the number we have 12. So 5 twos are 10. So 12 minus 10, there will be 2 remainder. There is 12 but 5 twos are 10. Still there is 2 left. 2 and 5 here. 2 5, that means 25. 5 5 is 25. So it will become 20 by 25. Again these two are cancelled in the fifth table. 5 fours are 5 fives are, so that equals to 4 by 5. So the answer will be 4 is to 5. So you know that these two will not be cancelled again in any table. So the 4 and 5 both are not cancelled by any other table other than 1 and themselves. So that's the reason. So this is the simplest form for 100 is to 125. So next next problem is 128 is to 72. So I'm writing this one in the fractional form, 128 by 72. If you observe the last digits in the in the numerator, so there is 8 which is even number, and in the denominator there is 2 so this is also even number. That means these two easily cancelled in the second table. So I'm going to cancel them in the second table. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. So we have to use the same second table for the denominator as well. 2 3s are 6 and 7 minus 6, 1 left, 1 2 12. So 12, 2 6 are 12. So you got 36. 64 by 36. So again they are left with even numbers as the last digits. So the last digit is 4 and the last digit is 6. So they are easily cancelled by second table. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2, 1 left, 1 6, 16. 2 8s are 16. So 32 by 18. Again they are cancelled in the second table. 2 16s, 2 9s. So these two numbers are not cancelled by any table. I mean 16 is cancelled by other table, 9 is cancelled by different table, but they are not cancelled in the same table. Both numerator and denominator cannot be cancelled in the same table. That's the reason this is the simplest form, 16 is to 9. So now let us move on to the next sum, that is 150 by 250. 150 by 250. So now let us write it in the fractional form, 150 by 250. So since these two numbers, both numerator and denominator, have zeros in the ones place, so both are cancelled in the 10th table. 10 15s, 10 25s, that equals to 15 by 25. So both have 5, both numerator and denominator have 5 in the ones place. So according to the divisibility rule of 5, they are cancelled in the 5th table. So 5 3s are 5 5s are. So you got prime number, so they will not be cancelled again. So this is the simplest form. So the simplest form will be 3 is to 5. So in this way we can change a number, we can change any ratio to simplest form like this. So thank you all, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video and share to your friends and your classmates. Thank you, thanks for watching.